to the End Time Truth Television, the channel for the lovers of truth, for the truth of the end time. So if you are a lover of truth, give us a subscription and God bless you. Shalom. Hello people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I want to say my heartfelt appreciation to each and every one of you, my wonderful viewers. And God bless you, good-hearted people who have consistently been around. I don't take you for granted. I appreciate each and every one of you. This video, I just have to do it this night. And so you may be hearing some funny noise or funny sounds, coming from creatures of night. But I just have to do it now. I got this video and I think I need to also pass it around. And I want to just plead with you that if you see this video and you have watched it, kindly share it. Share it not just because I want the video to go viral, for my own personal fortune, as some people may say. But I truly think that many people got to hear this. I am not the owner of the video, so people have already started distributing it. I am pleading with you, please go ahead and share this video. Share this video so that this video will go around the world, so that people will get to know the plight of this poor woman and her children. I'm not even so much concerned about the personality of the persons that are holding her. They have, shown us now that they don't have a heart. They have shown us that their heart is not that of human. The human milk of kindness is not running in their system. I truly don't know how to classify them. I don't know how to place them. But all I am looking for is that some persons that might see this video, some women, I call on women in power, women that have authority, women that are in position in this country and outside of this country to rise to this occasion, hearing the plea and the heartbreaking sounds of these children that you are about to watch in this video. Please watch and I will be seeing you at the end of the video. God bless you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Emmanuel. I am the brother to the missing baby at the Prophet Jeremiah Church. Please, I just want to ask you people for one thing. Please help us. We need justice. Since the day my brother is missing, since that day, my mommy have not been sleeping. Always she'll be thinking about our baby. Please help us. We need him. We need him. Please, we need vengeance for him to come back to us. My mommy has been crying. She has been crying every day. She's crying. I heard it be paining her every day. Please, because of this matter, please help us. Because of my mom, please help us. Please, we need justice so that our baby testimony will come back to us. Please, that's all what we need. Please, we need justice. We need justice. Please, everyone, help us. Help us to get our baby testimony. Anyway, you can help us. Please help us to get the baby testimony. Thank you.
The brother to the missing baby in Mercy City. Please help us. Nigerian, help us. Please, I beg you. I want us to be 4 back. Now we are 3. Please help us. I want us to be 4 back. Please try any of your possible best to get him for me. Please help us. Nigeria, help us. President Buhari, help us. Please help us. Thank you, Nigeria.
So thank you for having watched. Like I was saying, I want to call on female entrepreneurs, females that have power, females that can rise to this occasion. Remember that this is an injustice done to a woman, and I think that women have a way of rising to the occasion when it has to do with one of their kinds. And this is what I love about women. One of the things I love about women. So I am pleading to anybody and everybody that will watch this video to kindly make it get to the right quarters. Let it get to, since the men folks seems to be very hard-hearted or hardened heart. They don't want to give ears to the crying of this woman and her children. Now, I don't think that anybody, is still in the oblivion that this woman or is not looking for her son, or that these siblings are not looking for their, their younger brothers. When that boy was stolen, according to the woman, that the eldest of these children was 13. And today he is older. And at 13, you don't want to tell me that he wasn't knowledgeable enough to know that they were four and now they are three. You heard what that other one was saying, that they want to count themselves as four brothers again, not three, because three was not never the number they were four. And suddenly, due to the fault that was not actually theirs, they have been reduced mysteriously to three siblings instead of four brothers. So please, I just want you to, I'm appealing to people of good conscience. If you are a male there, if you're a man there, and you were in position to help this woman, please help. The information I got this evening stipulated that the woman has been transferred from Abuja to Benin City in Edo State. So people, I just want to plead with you, whether you're a Muslim or you're a Christian, whoever you are, and you think you can rise to this challenge of helping this poor woman and her children, for the woman to first and foremost regain her freedom, and then to have an ear that will listen to her stories. It's like nobody is listening to her. It's like because of her condition, persons are thinking that she is crazy. That woman is sound enough. That woman is sane enough to know what she is saying. Now, even if anybody thinks that she is crazy, I think that people have got to give her, the opportunity to talk to them. People have got to ask questions. People have got to bring some persons to book. Why should we make it look like this country that there is no more hope for this country at all? Why should everybody just, feel as if they are not concerned? I put this forth as a challenge. If you're a politician there and there is still a modicum of conscience left in you, arise for this woman. The governors of the southern states, I know some of you are fraternizing with Jeremiah. I know some of you, have a close relationship with Jeremiah. But this has come to that point where you will think of posterity, because whatever you do today, posterity will either judge you kindly or will be very, very harsh on you. As for Jeremiah and his co, I don't know if they even know what posterity is all about, because history will be told tomorrow. And people will know that you intimidated a poor woman. See, I don't know the genesis of the story. The woman she came out and she said her son was missing in your church, and the thing according to her, you did was to walk her out of the premises. And till today, she is still crying. Her children, her sons are crying that they need their brothers back. If people have conscience, if you think that you don't have a hand in it, what was the effort that was put in place? At least for the woman to believe that the hands of the people she thought stole her child was not in this matter. I don't know what you have done, Jeremiah. I don't know how far you have gone, but now taking it this far, you may think you're protecting your name. You may think you're protecting your image, but I want you to understand that in the eyes of every sane person, people will see it that you are being high-handed because you have money, because you have connection, because you think the woman has nobody to speak for her. And so that is why, this thing is happening like this. Come to actually look at it. What threat does this woman pose? Apart from the fact that she is crying consistently. My people used to say that wherever a child is crying and pointing towards, is either his father is there or the mother is there. So if this woman is crying consistently that her son got missing in your church, now have you done an underground job to find out, even if didn't know anything about it, what of your workers, what of the people that were there when this son that she said you admired? I mean, you admiring that child should be a concern. You saying that the star of that boy, according to what the woman said, that the star of that boy was even greater than that of your own, that in the nearest future, according to what she said, that the people will also be paying money to come and see him, just as they are paying money to come and see you now, which I'm not talking about. Now, if ever you said something like that and the same boy is missing, Oga, you needed to do something. You needed to show concern. No, that cannot be. That boy must not. I mean, that is what is expected of a father, like many people are calling you Papa. Posterity stands to judge majority of you. God bless you. I'll be seeing each and every one of you in the next video. Till then, from me to you, people, shalom.